Hyundai Motor India Limited, country's first smart mobility solutions provider and the largest exporter since inception, today showcased three legendary and best-selling brands: all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV, spirited new Verna, and the new Tucson in the next dimension through the virtual world of Hyundai. In the industry first ever full-scale human-centric design showcase, Hyundai's exclusive session bridged distances between the dynamic physical and digital worlds while keeping the experience alive. The next dimension is an immersive expression of different cultures through human-centric design. Being an innovation-centric organization, Hyundai has brought together the virtual world of three iconic brands: all-new Creta, spirited new Verna, and the launch of the new Tucson, in a larger-than-life POD lab space, creating a new benchmark in the Indian automotive industry. The event was held in three segments. First segment, success of all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV. The next dimension was divided into three segments. It began with the showcase of the record-breaking success of the all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV, with over 45,000 bookings. Creta has been a bestseller in its segment since inception and has consistently been the most preferred SUV in India with over 4.85 lakh happy Creta customers. Despite challenging times and intense competition, the newly launched all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV, has showcased brand supremacy, becoming number one selling SUV in its segment for last 2 consecutive months. The second phase of the next dimension laid the spotlight on Hyundai's leading product in the sedan segment, the spirited new Verna. Hyundai Verna continues to be a best-selling product with 26 industry accolades and over 5.28 lakh happy customers in domestic and export markets. Verna is Hyundai's super performer brand, and with its strong fan following is amongst the most loved sedans in India. The recently launched India's first fully connected sedan, the spirited new Verna, is an all-rounder sedan with human technology connect. It is comprised of futuristic design, smart connect, ingenious detailing, and superior dynamics for new age aspirational customers. And segment 3 was the launch of the new Tucson. The dynamic styling of the all-new Tucson sets it apart from other SUVs. The new Tucson is an outstanding example of Hyundai's design excellence. The signature cascade design chrome front grille makes a bold and confident statement, while the Penta projector LED headlamps along with LED DRLs and LED tail lamps. The new Tucson comes with powerful 2.0-liter diesel and petrol engines. The fun-to-drive diesel powertrain with new advanced 8-speed automatic transmission offers the best in segment power, 185 PS and 40.8 torque. Also, the petrol engine delivers an impressive 152 PS power and 90.6 torque and is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. To further maximize the driving pleasure, new Tucson is also offered with H-Track 4WD system, advanced traction, cornering control and drive modes. Hyundai has launched this Tucson facelift with introductory prices starting from Rs 22.30 lakhs for the entry-level petrol. Hyundai had showcased the SUV at the Auto Expo 2020 earlier this year.